Hi, my name is Maggie Heck, and I'm the Business and Marketing teacher at Stoughton Area High School. The resource that I'm going to be sharing today is a worksheet that I use in my entrepreneurship class, and it helps us to have conversations about types and forms of business ownership. So I give it to the students, and we might use our textbook, or we might just have classroom discussions, but they complete the following worksheet in their own words. So they identify service businesses and merchandising businesses. This is so that it's kind of connecting it back to our community, making connections between what they have in common, what they might make them different, different ways to explain it, and different ways to think about the questions that they're answering. So I found this to be a really good resource for different levels of thinking to use within my entrepreneurship class.